In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. Then go into Devices Settings, scroll to Hit Apps. Tap on Choose Default Apps and select Home App. Now click on Launcher Pro to apply it and hit Allow All in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to a default launcher, you can always go into Devices Settings and click on your default one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!